Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today, we're going to draw and color a brand new number block, Numberblock 15,000. Let's get started. First, we will draw the main body. Draw one big rectangle.
Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun. Red, blue, yellow.
Now, inside the rectangle, draw two vertical lines. Let's count together. 1, 2. Excellent! Now draw 4 horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing! These 15 sections represent 15,000 blocks. Now we begin drawing tiny blocks. Draw 50 vertical lines. Keep your ruler nice and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38,
Pick a color, pick a shade. Let the drawing
39,
begin.
40,
And stack another.
41,
Build a number block within. Every line we draw is
42,
magic. Every stroke is clean and slow. Drawing makes our
43,
work creative. This is how the numbers grow.
44,
Softly, color gently. Fill the picture nice and bright.
45,
Red and pink and purple, yellow. Turn the page into
46,
light. We can shade it, we can blend it. Make the
47,
colors match and mix. Drawing shapes and counting numbers
48,
is a perfect learning fix. 1 block, 2 blocks,
49,
3 blocks tall. 4 blocks, 5 blocks, stack them all. 6 and 7, 8 and 9.
and
10
50.
blocks standing in a line. Now we color one by one.
Fantastic! We reached 50. That's F-I-F-T-Y. Wonderful! Now draw 50 horizontal lines. Mini game. count by thousands. Let's do it again. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 15,000. You did it! Excellent work! Now tiny squares begin to appear everywhere. Amazing! This creates thousands and thousands of tiny blocks.
Color corner, color center. Fill each box from left to right. Make the picture super pretty, shining, glowing, clean and bright. We are artists, we are learners, we are builders full of dreams. Drawing and coloring number blocks is stronger than it seems. Mix the warm and mix the cool. Use the crayons in a line. Use your markers, use your pencils. Make the drawing look divine. When we focus, when we try, when we learn and when we play, number blocks make funny moments every single drawing day. Now we finish one creation, but tomorrow we will draw again. We will color something bigger, maybe 50, maybe 10. Art and learning walk together, both combine as one big power. Coloring number blocks makes every minute like a flower. Coloring, count, count and color, just like this and like no other. Drawing numbers, building fun, every block is number. La la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la. Yeah! Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes, we begin step by step like a stage. Line goes up, line goes down, every block in the right space. Drawing is fun and slow, we don't need to rush the pace. Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun. Red, blue, yellow, green, this coloring time is fun. Let's begin our drawing time, nice and calm and slow. Grab your paper, grab your colors, let the numbers grow. Every number block starts as shapes, simple, clean and clear. Drawing lines and little boxes brings the numbers near. Draw a square and add another, build them one by one. Stack them tall or wide across, learning has begun. Lines are straight and corners neat, take your time and see. Every block we draw today builds creativity. Now we color carefully, fill each space with care. Choose a color that you love and spread it everywhere. Blue can feel so cool and calm, red is strong and bright. Yellow shines like morning sun, making pictures light. Color softly, color slowly, stay inside.
Amazing! We reached 15,000.
Beautiful when colors fit just right.
That's FIFTEENTHOUSAND.
Fine. Drawing number blocks together makes the learning shine. Let's start.
Now
counting
draw one
as we
rectangle
color.
for the middle body detail.
3 and 4 and 5 blocks stacked. See what numbers do. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 blocks.
Perfect! Now let's draw number block 15,000's face. First, draw eyes. Inside shapes, draw the eyes. Add the pupil details and small shine circles.
20, 30, 40 blocks. Math is fun this way. Drawing helps us see the numbers. Coloring makes them real. When we learn with art and play, learning starts to feel. Shape the edges, fill the middle.
Draw a big, happy, smiling mouth. Add the mouth detail inside the smile. Now draw both hands.
Art and math together now, working side by side.
After that, draw both legs and shoes at the bottom.
On this learning ride, take a look at what we made, bright and full of cheer. Every number block we color shows.
Draw a watch on one hand.
Here,
Finally, on the top, write 11000. Fantastic work, super learners! You've drawn number block 15,000. Now, let's color him in and bring him to life. Get your colors ready. Let's start. Now, let's start coloring. Pick up the black color. Spell it with me. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color both pupils. Perfect. Pick up dark navy blue. Spell it. D-A-R-K. N-A-V-Y. B-L-U-E. Color. Eye outlines. Blue face band across the body. Excellent. Find blue. Can you find something blue? Look around. A toy? A shirt? A book? Point to it. Great job.
Smooth and soft without a rush. Drawing number blocks with joy is a magic we can never crush.
Pick up pink. P-I-N-K. Color the smiling mouth outline. Beautiful. Smile challenge. Give me a smile. Pick dark navy blue again. Now color. Both hands. Upper parts of both legs. Amazing. Hand wiggle. Wave your hands. Left, right, both together. Now wiggle your fingers. Great job. Pick sky blue. Spell it. S-K-Y-B-L-U-E. Color one shoe, the watch. Excellent. Sky hunt. Can you imagine the sky? Is it blue? Say, sky blue. Wonderful. Pick dark red. Spell it. D-A-R-K. R-E-D. Color the other shoe. Perfect. Color hunt. Can you find something red nearby? Look around. Found it? Awesome. Now pick red. Spell it. R-E-D. Color the 10,000 block section. Take your time. Color neatly. Stay inside the lines. Fantastic. Count by thousands. Let's count. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. Keep coloring. Slow coloring. Color very slowly. Nice. Neat. Careful. Beautiful. Fast coloring. Ready? Fast. 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 Now, stop. Wonderful listening. Find white spaces. Look carefully. Do you see any white spaces? Color them. Excellent. Clap and count. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now clap slowly. Great. Stretch break. Stop coloring. Stretch your fingers. Stretch your arms. Roll your shoulders. Take a big smile. Now continue. Rainbow challenge. Finish line countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done! Fantastic! Now pick sky blue. S-K-Y-B-L-U-E. Color the 5,000 block section on the right side. Beautiful! big number lesson. Let's learn. 15,000 means 10,000 plus 5,000 equals 15,000. Say it together. 10,000 plus 5,000 equals 15,000. Amazing!
One little block, two little blocks, 3 and 4 and 5 in line, 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 together looking fine. Add them, stack them, count them tall, numbers growing all the time. Drawing every single block makes our artwork super prime.
Fantastic job, super learners! Today we learned how to draw and color number block 15,000. We practiced drawing 15 large sections. Spell it with me. F-I-F-T-E-E-N-T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 15,000. Creating thousands of tiny blocks. Learning big numbers. Playing fun mini games. Coloring carefully. Counting all the way to 15,000. You worked so hard today. Give yourself a big clap. If you enjoyed today's adventure, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you never miss another number block drawing adventure. Tell me in the comments, which color was your favorite on number block 15,000? Was it red, sky blue, pink, or dark navy blue? Keep drawing, keep coloring, keep counting, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next amazing number block adventure. Bye-bye, super learners!
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.